You won't believe it, but this vanilla ice cream has a sneaky vegetable. We'll start with 2 very ripe bananas. Peel them, cut them up, throw them into a bag in your freezer. I like to always have a bag in my freezer for dessert emergencies. Then take 2 of those frozen bananas, put them in either a blender or a food processor. Then add half a cup of vanilla almond milk. You could add other plant milks, but just make sure it's vanilla since this is a nutrient-dense vanilla ice cream. Then add a tablespoon of cashew butter. You know, cashews are filled with healthy fats and plant proteins. And did you know cashews were actually a seed? Who knew, right? Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and about half a tablespoon of date syrup. Now, here's where the recipe goes crazy. You're going to add 2 cauliflower florets. Now, I know you're wondering, what? Will I taste the cauliflower? I promise you, you won't. Throw that all together, put it in your blender or food processor for about a minute. You may need to stop to scrape down the sides, and then you will be ready to enjoy this delicious vanilla ice cream. You could throw it into the freezer if you want it to be firmer. So tell me, would you make this vanilla ice cream? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.